In this video, we want to talk about how to master your inner voice. Welcome to one of the most important training modules in your development as a baseball player. What you're about to learn has nothing to do with your swing mechanics, with your footwork, or with your arm strength, but it might be the most important factor in determining whether you reach your full potential as a player. This guide focuses on mastering your inner voice and developing the mental skills that separate good players from great ones and great ones from elite performers who earn college scholarship and professional contracts. First of all, why this matter? The problem most players don't recognize. Right now, there's a conversation happening inside of your head during every game, every at-bat, and every pitch. For most players, this conversation sounds something like this. After a strikeout, I'm terrible at hitting breaking balls. During a slump, I'm always shocked when it matters. Before a big at-bat, don't miss up this time like the last time. After an error, coach is going to bench me. This negative self-talk isn't just making you feel bad. It's actively sabotaging your performance. Okay, the science behind the mental performance. Research in sports psychology shows that negative self-talk impairs your ability to focus on the task at hand, increases anxiety and tension in pressure situations, create a stress response to interferes when your muscle memory, lead to paralysis by analysis, where you overthink instead of react, and build neural pathways to reinforce failure patterns. In simple terms, the way you talk to yourself is programming your brain for either success or failure. Now let's talk about understanding your inner voice. What is your inner voice? Your inner voice is your ability to silently use language to reflect on your experiences, plan for your situations, and guide your actions. It's one of the most powerful tools you possess as a human being. There are two sides of the inner voice. The helpful side, help you plan and prepare. I'm going to look for a fastball early in the count. Guide you through routines. Step in, deep breath, and see the ball. Give you focus on your process. Trust your hands. Let it happen. This is the harmful side. This is the one that we call chatter. Ruminating on past failure. I struck out 3 times last game. Imagining worst case scenarios. If I don't get a hit, we will lose. Self-criticism and judgment. I'm not good enough for this level. Now, this is the goal, from enemy to teammate. Your inner voice can either be an enemy that criticizes, doubts, and sabotage your performance, a teammate that supports, focus, and enhances your performance. The choice is yours, and in this guide I will show you how to make this choice consciously. The professional approach, 3 core principles. Principle 1, awareness before change. You cannot change what you don't acknowledge. The first step is becoming aware of your current self-talk patterns. Exercise self-talk audit. For 1 week, pay attention to your inner voice during pre-games, between innings, after good plays, after mistakes, during pressure situations. Write down the most common phrases and thoughts. You might be surprised by how negative they are. Principle 2. Purposeful mental cues. Instead of letting your mind wander into negative territory, give it a specific job to do. These are mental cues that work. Smooth and explode for timing and rhythm. See and hit it for focus and simplicity. Trust and attack for confidence and aggression. Breathe and compete for composure under pressure. Next pitch for moving forward after any result. How to use the mental cues are really important too. Number 1, choose 1 cue that resonates with you. Number 2, practice during batting practice and training. Number 3, use it as consistently in games. Number 4, when negative thoughts arise, immediately return to your cue. Principle 3, routine and reset. Every at-bat, every pitch, and every play is an opportunity for a fresh start, but only if you have a system to create that reset. The reset process, acknowledge what happened, for good or bad. Number 2, learn from it if there's something to learn. Number 3, release it through your routine. Number 4, refocus on the present moment and next opportunity. The 4th step, mental game system. Step 1, recognition. What to do. Notice when self-talk begins. Key phrases, there's that voice again. Purpose, awareness without judgment. Step 2, redirect. What to do. Immediately shift your chosen mental cue. Key phrases, your personal mental cue. For example, smooth and explode. Purpose, give your mind a productive focus. Step number 3, what to do. Engage your physical pre-pitch or pre-play routine. Key phrase, whatever works with your routine. Purpose, anchor yourself in the present moment. Step 4, release. What to do. Commit fully to execution without overthinking. Key phrase, trust it, or let it happen. Purpose: allow your training and instincts to take over. These are the practical applications. In the batter box, before stepping, take a deep breath, activate your mental cue, visualize successful execution, and during the at-bat, keep your mental cue running on repeat. If negative thought intrude, immediately return to your cue. Focus on seeing the ball and trusting your hands. After each pitch, quick reset. Breathe, mental cue, and refocus. Don't carry the previous pitch into the next one. In the field, between pitches, stay engaged with positive self-talk. Anticipate the next play. Use breathing to stay relaxed and ready. After making an error, acknowledge it happened. Take responsibility without self-attack. Immediately shift focus to the next play. Use your mental cues to refocus. During struggles or slumps, remember, slumps are temporary, not permanent. Your worth as a player isn't determined by your last at-bat. Every play appearance is a new opportunity. Trust your preparation and training. Self-talk during struggle: I'm working through this. My next swing could be the one. I trust my process. This is part of the game. Now let's go over building your personal mental game plan. Step 1, choose your mental cue. Select one simple, repeatable phrase that helps you focus on execution. Practices until it becomes automatic. Step number 2, develop your routine. Create a consistent pre-pitch routine that includes physical action, adjusting your gloves, taking practice swings; mental action, breathing, activating your cue; emotional action, building confidence and staying calm. Step 3, practice your mental training. Just like a physical skill, mental skills require practice. Use your mental cue during batting practice. Practice your routine during your training and work on positive self-talk during low-pressure situations. Step 4, apply under pressure. Start using these skills in games. Begin with a lower pressure situation. Gradually apply them in a bigger moments. Be patient with yourself as you develop this skill. Now, these are the common challenges and solutions. Challenge: these feel fake or forced. Solution: all new skills feel awkward at first. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. Remember, negative self-talk is also learned. You can learn positive self-talk too. Challenge: I forget to use it during games. Solution: start small. Pick one specific situation, like your first at bat, for example, and focus only on that. Gradually expand to other situations. Challenge: it doesn't work immediately. Solution: mental skills like physical skills take time to develop. Trust the process and stay consistent when you practice. Challenge: my teammates might think it's weird. Solution: you don't have to announce what you're doing. Mental training can be completely internal. Focus on your development, not other opinions. These are the key reminders to success. Number 1, your inner voice is either your greatest asset or your biggest liability. You choose. Number 2, confidence comes from process, not results. Number 3, every at-bat is a fresh start if you make it one. Number 4, mental skill require practice, just like physical skills. And number 5, progress, not perfection, is the goal. This is your mental game action plan. This week, complete your self-talk audit. Choose your personal mental cue. Practice your cue during training sessions. Next 2 weeks, develop your pre-pitch routine. Use your mental cue in practice, games, or scrimmages. Notice when negative self-talk occurs and practice redirecting. Ongoing, apply your mental game system consistently in games. Refine your approach based on what worked best for you. And remember that mental training is a career-long process. My final thought: the mental game isn't about positive thinking or pretending that everything is perfect. It's about taking control of the conversation in your head and making sure it's helping you to perform at your best rather than holding you back. Every professional player I compete with understood this principle. The ones who made it to the big leagues were masters on their mental game. They had system, routines, and mental skills that allowed them to perform their best when it mattered the most. You have the same opportunity. The physical tools and work ethic guide you into this program. Now it's time to develop the mental skill that will take you to the next level. But first, you have to win the game between your ears. My name is Carlos Garcia, and remember, I made the errors, you make the plays.